Okay, so good morning,
Yes,
students.
ma'am.
Good morning, students, once again. So today we will be revising on the topics which we have already discussed. So Ayeshri, she have chosen this topic, that is endocrine system and glands. So Ayeshri, you can start. You start, Ayeshri.
Yes, ma'am.
You start. You start. Endocrine system. What does it do? Start.
Okay. Endocrine system. They are just a network of glands. They
You
help
say
each
like,
other to
wait,
make
wait.
hormones.
Wait, I see you say like this. This is the endocrine system. In the picture, you can see this is the endocrine system. So, in the
Yes, ma'am.
endocrine system, you can see all these glands. You mentioned like that. Start.
Okay. First, pineal gland. Uh, they make some chemical melatonin
Wait, huh?
and
Wait. Okay, you start like this.
pineal gland.
No. You start. You start from the beginning. That is the endocrine system. You
From
start.
the okay. They are just a uh, they are just a network of glands. Um, they all communicate to help each other to make hormones. Mm, and also help the cells, organs, and function of our body. Gland is an organ that makes hormone. Ma'am,
Hmm.
I don't know what to say more.
Okay. What do you understand? What do you understand so far? The endocrine system. What do they do? The endocrine gland. What do they make?
They make hormones.
They make hormones, which I mean these hormones they does their own job. They does their own work in the body. They goes into the bloodstream. Understand? They goes into our bloodstream. Then afterwards they perform their own work. Understand?
Uh,
So far,
yes,
did you
ma'am.
understand, everyone? I hope you understand. Okay. Okay, you read this out.
While many parts of the body make hormones, the major glands that make up the endocrine system are the hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenals, pineal body, the ovaries, and the testes.
Okay, so what are all these? These are the hormones, understand, which the endocrine system or the endocrine glands they makes. So these are the name of the hormones. The first one is the hypothalamus. The next is pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pineal body, and ovaries. You will be getting in where? In which gender? Male or female?
Female,
Yes. And the
female,
testes.
male.
So these are the hormones that you will find in the, I mean, which the endocrine glands they mix. Did you understand, everyone? This portion. I hope it's clear for everyone, for all. Okay. So this endocrine system, what do they make? You read it out.
Make hormones that control our mood, growth and development, metabolism, organs, and reproduction. Controls on how the hormones are released. Sends those hormones into your bloodstream so they can travel to other body parts.
Okay. Did you understand this? Did you understand, Ayushri? Did you understand or
A
not?
little bit.
Little bit. What did you understand? Say.
They make hormones which control our mood.
Okay.
Like they also help in growth and development, metabolism, body functioning, organs, and reproduction.
Okay. Let me say. This endocrine system, they make hormones. Understand? And these hormones, what do? They can control our mood. Understand? All this in our mood. It depends. Like happy, sad, all this. And also as well as in growth and development. Growth and development means what? Means from the time you were born till today. I mean, you were growing or not? Your body parts, your everything, your height means from child to puberty, all these things you started having. It's not it. Some body hairs. So all these things also the hormones are responsible in all these things. Did you understand, everyone? Yes. And also they help your body to metabolize. I mean, how to this one on uh, how to function in a proper manner. Understand? And also as well as your organs. In the organ system also it helps, and as well as in your reproductive system. It also helps in your reproductive system. This endocrine system. And next is controls on how the hormones are released. What does it mean by this? I mean how much hormones it will be released and it will go and transfer to the different parts of the body. So the endocrine system will decide how much quantity like it will be released from our body. So the endocrine system or the endocrine gland they will go and transfer. The last is what? Send those hormones into the bloodstream so that they can travel to other body parts. So if they will only transfer without any, if they will only if they will only like give it the hormones without any transportation, what is the use? It's not it. So what is the main source of the transportation for the hormones? The bloodstream. So the bloodstream helps even that thing. Understand? The bloodstream, they travel to the main destination, you can say that, and so that it can transfer, so that it can help you in what? Receiving those hormones which are being sent by the endocrine glands. Did you understand, everyone? Yes? Did you understand or not? Did you understand? Dynasty and all, did you understand? Dynasty, Adam, John did. Did you understand or not? Hello? Okay. So, Okay. Who will read out this? Adam? Can you hear me, Adam? Adam, can you hear me? Dynasty? What about dynasty? Okay, dynasty, you read out this.
Hypothalamus. These organs connect your endocrine system with the nervous system. Its main job is to tell your pituitary gland to start or stop making hormones.
Okay, what did you understand? What did you understand
It,
from this?
it connects the endocrine system with the nervous system.
What connects? About what you have just read just now.
Hypothalamus.
So you say like that. Hypothalamus connects what?
Endocrine system with the nervous system.
Okay, and what is the function of the hypothalamus?
To tell the pituitary gland to start or stop making hormones.
Okay, so I'll repeat again. So this is the first hormones that you will find in the endocrine system or the endocrine gland, and that is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus, where will you find? You will find means inside your brain. And this hypothalamus, what does it? I mean, where does it connect? It connects with your endocrine system as well as your nervous system. And what is the function of this hypothalamus? The function of the hypothalamus is that, how many hormones they will release, how many hormones yeah, they will release. It will monitor. They will control it. If they are releasing too many hormones or too much of hormones, the hypothalamus they will just make it stop, and they will also know when to start making hormones, and also as well as when to stop making the hormones. Did you understand, everyone? Dynasty, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next, pituitary gland. Hasina. Hasina Johari, can you hear me? Hasina. Jondeep. Jondeep, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you read out this part.
Pituitary gland. This is your endocrine system's master gland. It uses information it gets from your brain to tell other glands in your body what to do. It makes many important hormones, including growth hormone, prolactin, which helps breastfeeding mother make milk, and luteinizing hormone, which manages estrogen in women and testosterone in men.
Okay, what did you understand? Did you understand anything?
I- Ma'am,
Huh?
uh, includes growth hormone, prolactin,
What includes growth hormone? What?
and pituitary gland.
You say like that.
which helps breastfeeding mother make milk,
And
and uh, it manages as pituitary gland manages estrogen in women and testosterone in men.
okay, okay. Let me repeat again. So the next gland, sorry. So the next gland, what is the name of the next gland which the endocrine system makes? It is the pituitary gland. This is the pituitary gland. So same thing, the pituitary gland also you will get in your brain, and they are also known as the master gland. Master gland means what? Means that means what? They controls all the glands. That's why it is known as the master gland. And what does it do? This pituitary gland, the pituitary gland, they passes information. They passes information to the other glands. Understand? Other glands we will discuss later, but for now you just know that the pituitary glands, they go and pass information, or they go and command, you can say that, to the other glands in your body, like when to go and transfer. Uh, I mean, how to start the work, how to progress the work. In that way, the pituitary gland helps in that. And also, in the pituitary gland, you will find some important hormones. So, what is the name of those hormones? Means such as sorry, growth hormone, which is known as prolactin. Understand? Growth hormones such as prolactin, and this prolactin, what does it do? It helps the breastfeeding mothers. It helps the breastfeeding mothers so that they can produce milk, so that they can feed the baby, that is milk. Understand? And also, what hormones does it produce? This pituitary gland, luteinizing hormone. They also produce luteinizing hormone. And this luteinizing hormone, what does it do? They manage a hormone which is known as estrogen, which you will find in women. And another hormone name is testosterone. Testosterone is the name of the hormone which you will find in men. Is it clear, everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next, Kajal. Kajal Kumari. Okay, Marbut. Marbut, can you hear me? Miracle. Miracle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Miracle, read out this portion, read out this part.
Adrenal glands make a chemical called melatonin that helps the body to get ready to go to sleep.
Okay, what did you understand from here?
It makes a chemical that called a
What makes the chemical? Who makes the chemical?
adrenal gland.
Ah, you mentioned. See, everyone, you please mention. Don't directly say it makes like that. Say you mention the name. Okay, continue.
Adrenal glands make a chemical called melatonin, which help the body to get ready to go to sleep.
Okay, I repeat again. So this is the pineal gland, which the endocrine system makes. So this pineal gland also same thing you will find in your brain. And this pineal gland, what do? They make a chemical. They used to make some chemical which is known as melatonin. And this melatonin, they helps you in what? They helps you in controlling of your sleep. You can say. I mean, they makes you ready to go to sleep. I hope it's clear, everyone. Okay, next, Muay Chong, Muay Chong, Muay Chong Pong. Okay, next, Nafishisha, Nafishisha, can you hear me? Rinku Muni.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rinku Muni, you read out this.
Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland make thyroid hormones which controls the metabolism.
Okay, what did you understand?
Mm, The thyroid gland is anterior side.
Okay,
They control our
anterior means what?
front side.
Okay,
Uh, um, the thyroid gland control our metabolism.
controls. Okay, so I'll repeat again. So the thyroid gland you will find somewhere in your neck portion. This is your neck, it's not it. So this is the thyroid gland which the endocrine system makes it, and this gland they make a hormone that is known as thyroid hormone, and this thyroid gland you will find in the front portion. Front portion means what? In the anterior side. In the anterior side, you will find this. And what does this do? This thyroid gland, they controls the metabolism. They controls your metabolism process. I hope it's clear, everyone. Okay, Rinkumani, you continue with this parathyroid also.
Parathyroid is a set of four small glands behind your thyroid. They play a role in bone health. The glands control your levels of calcium and phosphorus.
The glands control your what? What is this?
Controls your levels or
Leaves.
levels
Ah,
of
levels. Okay. Okay, what did you
levels
understand?
of calcium and
Phosphorus. Okay, what did you understand?
hello.
What did you understand?
They makes our bone health.
Who makes?
Parathyroid
You
makes
mentioned that.
our bone health. Parathyroid gland is located by posterior side. They have four parts.
Okay. Okay, I'll repeat again. So this is the parathyroid. Understand? This is the parathyroid. So you will find here, you will find this parathyroid at the back of the thyroid. So this is the thyroid. And if you turn and if you see at the back, you will find parathyroid. So this parathyroid, you will find that they are of, I mean, four. You will find 1, 2, 3, 4. This yellow color. It's yellow color shaded for your understanding. So these are the four parathyroid gland. And what is the function of this parathyroid gland? They helps in what? Making your bones healthy. They helps in making your bones healthy. And these glands, what do? They control the level of your calcium and phosphorus, which is in your body. It's clear, no, everyone? Rinkumoni, are you clear? Parathyroid, thyroid.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next. Next, Rohan Dev. Rohan Dev. Next, Sachi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sachi, you read out this.
Thymus.
Read
This
out
gland
this.
makes thymus. This gland makes white blood cell called T lymphocytes that fight infection and are crucial and a child's immune system develops. The thymus start of sorry, the thymus starts to shrink after puberty.
Okay, what did you understand?
Uh, Thymus gland makes white blood cell that is known as T lymphocytes and fight infection and crucial as a child immune system develops.
Okay, so this is the thymus. So this is the thymus. So this thymus gland, where will you find? You will find in your chest portion. So you remember, no? This is the bone, this is the ribs, and this is the sternum. So it will, the thymus gland, they are situated or they are located just above the sternum. Understand? Just in the middle of the rib. This is the ribs, is not it? So you'll find in the this one in the middle portion. Okay, so what does this gland do? The thymus gland, they make white blood cells. That is WBC, which is known as T lymphocytes. Which is known as T lymphocytes, and these T lymphocytes, what does it do? They used to fight against infection. Understand? They help you in protecting you from the infection, and also they helps you in what? They also helps you in, in the child. When in the child, you will find that they helps in giving them immunity in the sense like what you say, from protecting the child or the baby from various kinds of diseases, from various kinds of infection. And this thymus, what will you find? You will find that it will start to shrink. Understand? Shrink means what? It will start to slow down. That is after puberty. After puberty means what? When a child will grow older, it will start to shrink. Understand, everyone? Do you understand, everyone? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Next, Sakani. Sakani, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read out this.
Pardon, ma'am?
Read out this. Read this out.
Best known for making the fight or flight hormones, adrenal line, also called epinephrine. And these two glands also make hormones called corticosteroids. They affect the metabolism and sexual function, among other things.
Okay. What did you understand?
Mm, and this adrenal gland, they making the fight or flight hormones and adrenal lines. They also call epinephrine. These two
Epinephrine.
glands, pardon, ma'am?
Epinephrine, you said.
epinephrine. And these two glands are make hormones called corticosteroids, and they affect the metabolism and sexual function, among the other things.
Okay, so this is the adrenal glands. So this adrenal glands, where will you find? You will find just above the kidney. This is the kidney, you remember, no? So you'll find just above the kidney. And this adrenal gland, what do? They make a hormone. Okay, what is the name of the hormone? Adrenaline. It is also known as epinephrine. And and these two glands, they will again make a hormone which is known as corticosteroids. And this adrenal gland, what do? They used to affect the metabolism and as well as sexual function. They are also responsible for sexual function, understand, and as well as in other things also. Is it clear, everyone?
Sure.
Okay. So for today's class, I'll end here in the adrenal gland. In the next class, we will continue with the other glands, that is pancreas, ovaries. So I'll stop here today. That's all for today's class.